NVIDIA, the undisputed AI king. Wall Street's darling. The stock that made overnight millionaires and left others holding the bag. But something just changed. The stock crashed. Billions wiped out. Investors panicking. Is this just a bump in the road? Or the start of an AI bubble collapse? Because here's the thing. Every market darling eventually faces reality. And NVIDIA might be hitting its moment of truth. So, is this the best buying opportunity of the decade? Or is NVIDIA just another overhyped tech stock on the edge of a reckoning? Let's break it all down. If you've been anywhere near the stock market in the past 2 years, you know one thing. NVIDIA was the it stock, the AI king, the chosen one. Wall Street analysts hyped it up, hedge funds piled in, and retail investors followed. Because let's be real, when does Main Street get the first pick? And for good reason. From gaming to AI, crypto booms to self-driving cars, NVIDIA's GPUs are the backbone of tech's biggest revolutions. But now, cracks are starting to show. Its stock just got hammered, down 14% year to date. The hype train hit turbulence. Is this a temporary setback, or the beginning of the end? Welcome to Tendy Insights, where we cut through the noise and give you the real story behind the stocks you love, or not. Today, we're going deep into NVIDIA, its rise, its latest crash, the risks nobody is talking about, and whether it's still a good investment or just another overhyped AI bubble. Let's get into it. NVIDIA's story is straight up legendary. Started in 1993, survived the dot-com bubble, then quietly became the godfather of GPUs, first for gaming, then for AI, crypto, and data centers. The real boom started when OpenAI's ChatGPT blew up, and suddenly, every company and its dog wanted high-performance GPUs. NVIDIA was the only game in town. Last year, they made over $130 billion in revenue, a 114% increase year over year. Their margins? Insane. Gross margin is now over 76%. That's Apple-level dominance. But every high flyer eventually faces gravity. AI is the future, but so was the internet in 2000. Remember Pets.com? Or how Cisco was supposed to take over the world? AI stocks are booming, but history warns us. Every revolution eventually faces reality. NVIDIA's market cap is flirting with $2.5 trillion. That's more than Amazon, more than Tesla and Meta combined. The company is worth more than entire economies. But is it sustainable? Or is AI just the new dot-com bubble? I mean, sure, this time it's different. Just like it was different for dot-com stocks, and crypto, and SPACs, and NFTs. Oh wait, if AI spending slows, how much of NVIDIA's valuation is built on hope rather than fundamentals? And more importantly, who gets left holding the bag? And here's where things get interesting. NVIDIA's stock just took a hit, down 14% year to date, part of a broader tech sell-off. But why? AI chip demand slowing? Tech giants like Microsoft and Google stocked up on GPUs. Now demand might be cooling. U.S. China trade war. The U.S. restricted NVIDIA's AI chip sales to China. That's a $7 billion revenue hit. Competition heats up. New AI chip startups like DeepSeek are offering similar performance for a fraction of the price. So, the AI gold rush isn't dead, but NVIDIA just found out it's not the only miner in town. And investors are nervous. If you're enjoying this breakdown, go ahead and hit that like button. It won't make NVIDIA's stock go up, but hey, neither will Jim Cramer's stock picks. Alright, back to whether NVIDIA is a golden opportunity or just another overhyped Wall Street bet. But after the recent dip, NVIDIA's forward PE is now 24. That's 41% cheaper than its AI boom peak. So, for once, NVIDIA might actually be cheaper than AMD. That's like finding out a Ferrari is the same price as a BMW. It doesn't happen often. So, who's actually buying all these NVIDIA chips? AI and data centers. This one's obvious. Every company wants AI now. Gaming. Yes, people still care about ray tracing, even if they pretend they don't. Crypto miners. Again? Even after multiple crashes, crypto bros still can't resist a good GPU. Government and military AI projects. The part NVIDIA doesn't talk about too much. So, whether you're training an AI model, fragging in Call of Duty, or secretly mining Dogecoin in your mom's basement, NVIDIA's got something for you. But the real question is, how much of this demand is sustainable? And how much is just another cycle waiting to collapse? Here's the biggest risk nobody's talking about. OpenAI itself might be NVIDIA's biggest threat. Sam Altman has been raising billions to fund his own AI chip project, trying to make OpenAI independent from NVIDIA's pricey GPUs. If this works, OpenAI, and maybe even Microsoft, could ditch NVIDIA entirely. I mean, why keep paying premium prices for NVIDIA when you can build your own chips and print money instead? Of course, building an AI chip isn't exactly plug and play. so it's not happening overnight. But if OpenAI and big tech figure this out, NVIDIA's monopoly could start crumbling fast. NVIDIA is still a beast, but let's be real. There are some serious risks to consider. One AI competition is growing DeepSeek, and other AI chip startups are undercutting NVIDIA. AMD and Intel are ramping up their AI game. Big tech, Google, Amazon, Apple, is building its own AI chips, reducing dependency on NVIDIA. 2. Government regulations could wreck it. The U.S. already banned NVIDIA's best AI chips from China. More restrictions could choke off international sales. 3. The AI boom could slow down. Companies might delay AI spending due to high interest rates. If AI hype fizzles out, NVIDIA's stock could drop even further. Translation: if you think NVIDIA is a guaranteed 5-year moonshot, just remember, markets love surprises, and not the fun kind. Now, before you run off thinking NVIDIA is doomed, let's talk about why some investors still love this stock. Blackwell Ultra AI chips are coming. GB300 model. Data centers and AI demand are still massive long-term drivers. If interest rates drop, tech stocks, including NVIDIA, could see another rally. Analyst targets range from 850 to 1,100 plus per share. Some still think NVIDIA will be the biggest AI winner of the decade. Others, not so much. NVIDIA is no longer an easy win. It's still the AI king, but the AI battlefield is getting crowded. If you're a long-term investor, it might be one of the best AI stocks out there, but at the right price. So, what's the final verdict? If you believe AI will eat the world, NVIDIA might still be one of the best long-term bets in tech. If you think AI stocks are running on pure hopium, maybe waiting for a deeper dip isn't the worst idea. Either way, this debate is far from over. Now, if you want to hear how NVIDIA is a generational buying opportunity, just turn on CNBC. But if you prefer actual stock analysis without the hype, subscribe to Tendy Insights.